What's up, y'all? Okay. Hey, y'all. This Khadijah. It is 9:48 p.m. and I'm finna sing "It Will Rain" by Bruno Mars a cappella, and I hope you guys like it. All right, let go. Okay. That's funny. Hold on. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have anymore. 'Cause there's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Ooh. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out that door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be my mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh. If I ever were in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. Well, I don't know the rest of it, but I hope you guys like what I did so far. Alright, subscribe to the songs you would like me to sing. We'll do so. I'm going because it's getting late. Alright, thank you for watching.